Hi everyone, it's a good day today. I think I'm about to check out this hospital. It's been boring for the past 2 days. Well, today I'll be doing an unboxing for this kit. This is one of my favorite kits actually. It's the new Gundam. This is designed by Katoki. You can see here it's Verka. So Katoki designed a series of Gundam kits himself, although most of the kits are designed by him anyway. But he specifically designed the Verka series himself. He goes out of his way to add in some additional details and modify some stuff, and just to make the kits extra special at some point as compared to the normal MG kits. I love these series, and this is practically one of my favorite kit. The details sick. The articulation of these kit are really good, and part separation and everything, the color separation, it's top notch. So let's not keep you guys waiting. Here's the unboxing. As you can see, this is the box. It says here, this actually is a special edition. It comes with this sticker. This is actually for the kits with special decals. For the decals, they're a bit more metallic and shiny as compared to the normal water slide decals. This is the box art front. See, it's a good artwork. And then on the side, right here, you have the two different posters, one standing, one up on the stand. And this stand is actually already included here. This on this side, as well as this side, they're practically identical as with the other boxes Gundam, and these are the accessories it comes with. This is the front, this is the back view of the kit, and these are the gimmicks that you can actually do. See that? Those are the gimmicks. Hands, feet, part separation, the funnels and everything. You can see everything there. Alright, for this one, first we have the manual. Manuals, just like all the other manuals of Gundam. First page, the artwork. Second page, more artwork. And different parts, poses of the kit itself. And this is the inner page. Japanese stuff, can't read them. Sorry. These are the runners it comes with. So see, there's a lot of runners. You can check out all the runners if you're gonna buy a kit, and this is the part where you can check everything out, if the runners are correct and if it's complete or whatnot. And here we have the different instructions. First off, you start with the torso, and after building the torso, there, you build the head and then the arms, and they even show you the different way of moving the parts before putting them in it. And then there, putting them together, the arms, the torso, the head, and then you go with the waist, feet. They practically already list everything down. It's basically the same from one manual to another, just different. It just goes in a different way from one kit to another, but it's almost the same. See, the funnels, different parts, it's all here. And yeah, this manual is kind of finicky, too much pages. The last part would be the decals, where everything goes. So you have to check this part to when you're putting on the decals, so you'll be able to have a guide and to put them correctly. Sometimes you can put them upside down or front side back, and it wouldn't look good. It's gonna ruin the whole look of your kit. Let's put that aside. First runner we're gonna check out is the B runner, and this is the J runner. For the B runner, it's just a bunch of yellow parts for the funnels. These are the highlights for the funnel. And for the J runner, these are the inner parts before you put on the armor. So mostly inner frame. And for the clear ones, this is actually for the stand, and the others are also for the stand for hanging your funnels on. And we have the L runner. This runner are more inner parts. If I'm not mistaken, these are for the legs and the waist, and also for the K runner, it's also some inner parts. These are actually for the funnels, side of the funnels, and more parts for the legs. Now we have another K runner, same thing as the other one, and another L runner. Or for the L runner, these are more parts for the legs also. Now we get on to the armor. For this one, we have the decal sheet. This is the regular decal sheet, and these are the waist armors, the skirts, the head part, and we even have the small figure, pilot figure. One for the cockpit and one the standing one, the small standing figure you're gonna get with practically every MG kit. And this is the shield and some of the weapons. Here we have more blue parts. These are blue parts that goes for the armor also. This is for the back of the shield, and some weapon parts mostly, and some waist parts and weapons again. This part, this is the funnel part. See, this is part of the funnel. This is actually the inner part. You can paint these. If you're gonna paint these, you don't have to worry about the color. I don't particularly like the bluish color this comes with. This is for the F runner, and personally, my taste would go more with black. I'm not a big fan of blue, especially with navy blue. But if you guys like the color, you can actually use this SS, this top coated after you build the kit, just to make it look extra matte as compared to plastic. And here we have more armor parts. These are also all for funnels, and these are for the feet. Yeah, these are for the leg and feet part, and some are for the arms, and also with this part. This is, I'm not seeing the runner number here or the letter, but you can check it out in the manual. You can check every runner in the manual just to make sure which runner is what letter, and be sure that you're using the correct runner when you're removing the parts. And these are the movable arm and hand actually. Yeah, these are actually all movable, fingers and everything. I think this is a 2.0. Here we have the cycle frame that you're gonna install inside the inner part before putting on the armors, and more leg armors and polycaps here. The gray part, that's polycap. More cycle parts, and this is for the cockpit, the green one. Here we have the saber, the pink saber. This is pretty common with all Gundam kits. And some more highlights, the yellow parts. These are also for the funnel. And more armor parts, the white part. Yeah, those are for the shoulder, if I'm not mistaken. And these red parts are actually some missile parts and highlights. Missile parts are for, if I'm not mistaken, this is for the guns, and this is for the shield, and some of them are for the highlights of your skirt. And again, more polycaps. And this is the stand the base that it comes with. Sorry. It, this is the best kit that I've found that comes with a stand like this. It looks really sick. You see that? Anyway, that's about it. And last but not the least, this is a special decal. See that? It's all glossy, shiny. This is what you're paying for in this kit. I'm not just what you're paying for, but this is the best part about, having a special decal kit, because your kit would stand out from the rest as compared to just using the regular decals. But anyway, if you're a pretty artistic person, you can actually come up with a better one. So, as I've said, this kit is one of my favorite kit. I recommend it to anyone who's a big fan of Gunpla, or even a starter for Gunpla. They would really enjoy building this kit. I've had a blast building one before. I have one at home. I painted it, and it's standing on my shelf. So as I've said, I'm still thinking if I'm gonna build this one, give it away, or just give it away straight up. If you guys have any comments, if you guys want to join my giveaway contest, just comment below, and hopefully subscribe to my channel and like my video. Or if not, if you don't like it, then you can hit the dislike button. But I'm just hoping you won't. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, this is Ice. Peace out.